Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Calendar appointment schedules with Calendly. To configure Google Calendar appointment schedules with Calendly, begin by signing into your Calendly account. If you don't have an account, create one using your email address. Once logged in, click on the Event Types tab located in the top menu. Now, click on the plus New Event Type button to create a new appointment schedule. Choose the type of event you want to create, such as a one-on-one or group event. Fill in the event details, including the name, description, and duration. Next, set your availability preferences by selecting the days and times you want to offer. Make sure to integrate your Google Calendar by clicking on the Integrations tab. Select Google Calendar from the list of available integrations. Follow the prompts to connect your Google account to Calendly. Once connected, choose the Google Calendar you want to sync with Calendly. Adjust your settings for how Calendly will access your Google Calendar. You can choose to automatically add events to your Google Calendar or keep them separate. After configuring the integration, return to the event type you created earlier. Review your appointment settings to ensure they meet your requirements. You can customize notifications and reminders for both you and your invitees. Once satisfied, save your event type by clicking the Save and Close button. Now, you can share your scheduling link with others. When someone books an appointment, it will automatically sync with your Google Calendar. To manage your upcoming events, navigate to the Calendar section within Calendly. This completes the configuration of your Google Calendar appointment schedules with Calendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.